So for the people that had watched yesterday, you should be updated on all these airdrops right here. We're talking about Galaxy, SafeChain, Crescent Network, Isuna, and Signal. So for now, I will let you know today we are gonna cover another 5 Cosmos airdrops, and we will be discussing this NFT project. This is also an Ethereum NFT based project, and they are already verified on OpenSea. Alpha Kongs is not verified on OpenSea yet. So this one is now verified, and they are doing also an airdrop right now. This is a vial that you can claim, but we will be discussing this on the end of the live stream. First of all, we are going to discuss the 5 airdrops of today of the Cosmos airdrop ecosystem. So, for anyone who is live in the chat and wants to ask some questions, go ahead. Don't be shy. Come out here and have some conversation. Let's build a community together, and let's see what opportunities the crypto market is providing. Together we are all stronger, just know that. So let us take a look. The first thing that I want to discuss today, maybe a lot of people know this one, they already have claimed it and they're staking it, but as you have known, there is no price action yet. I'm talking about Nomik. So let's go to the Twitter of Nomik. For everyone who knows what I'm talking about, just leave a comment. Is there anything that I should cover about this project? Leave a comment. Come and join the live chat so we can grow together as a community. So Nomik, they make Bitcoin sidechains and stuff. As you can see, they're not really active on Twitter. But I saw this in the past. If you would go to Discord, you will see there's a little bit of activity there. But for now, I don't see where the Discord is at. So I don't have a clue. But when we click onto Nomik, we go to the app. As you can see, transfers are disabled. So there is nothing to do now with your NUM. It's also not worth anything at this moment. You cannot trade it. But a lot of people are just compounding this one. So for everyone who has this one, I would recommend just go ahead and claim your rewards and stake them again to just compound. And one day, if they will have price action, you will have a lot more Nomik than you had before. So that's an opportunity that we can do. We don't know if they will come live, but a lot of people in the Cosmos ecosystem are saying they will come live eventually one day. They are still developing hard in the background and they are working on the project. So let's claim this reward. Approve. Now I confirm this into my ledger. If you have a ledger, if you don't have one, I would recommend for anyone, go get yourself one. Just go use Nano S. This is the cheapest. I use this myself. I have both. I have S and X, but I'm very pleased with the S. It's very easy to use. The X is a little bit more complicated, but you also have more storage. So I would recommend for the starters, use an S. Don't invest too much. And once you are familiar with the system, then you can upgrade to X. And if you have more crypto tokens, coins, and accounts that you need on the ledger. So now that we have claimed this, we will see our available balance right here. And now we are just going to stake this again. So let's take a look to who we can stake right here. I'm going to stake also to this one. With a lot of my projects, I'm staking to this one. So why not 35? Let's just do the full amount. I'm not going to put too much time in this. Delegate. Approve. Approved. Yes, this should be done. Alright. As you can see, we have now a total stake of 256 num. So you just click here to disconnect. If you can disconnect. Now you just close the page. But what I would recommend, I say this to everyone, just click onto this, click onto that, click onto, what am I doing? Click here, then click here, settings, go to manage connections, and just close this. All right, now that we have closed this, let's go back and let's go to the second project, because this one we have no price action, asset mantle. A lot of people will want to see this project. What am I doing with it? How can you stake? How can you claim? Everything you need to know about this project. If you didn't watch my previous videos on YouTube, go watch them. I have a lot of information about asset mantle and the airdrop for all the ecosystems that it provided. As you can see, if you go to I'm Crypto Wolf, click onto this, click on videos. Then we go to uploads. You will see right away asset mantle. Where we at? Where we at? Asset mantle. Right here, video. Should have other ones also. I don't see it right away. Man, I have more videos than I thought. Let me go back. And just do like this. Alright, as you can see right here, I have more than 4 videos about asset mantle and all the details you should know. So go check out these videos. Let me know, give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe to my channel to support it. I appreciate every single one of you. So let's get into the second. Click on the Linktree button. Then we go to the website. Once that we are onto the website, the next thing we need to do is click onto connect. No, we click onto network, wallet. Excuse me, click onto network, built-in mantle wallet. Then just close this. Yes. Once we are here, we just do sign in. I'm gonna use my Kepler. All right. Continue. Once we are in right now, you will see this is my total balance. I have 1099 mantle. You can see the current price is 12 cents for one mantle. Excuse me. So, and I have a vesting schedule of 692 mantles. So as you can see right now, you can see my rewards here, 3.77 mantle. So what you have to do is just click onto this claim button. Once we have clicked onto this, you choose the validators. You can see every validator have 1.2 approximately. So click onto this. All right. Then click onto next. Make sure to put this on low. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. For me, it doesn't work when I put it here or here. So I do low, 0 mantle, approve. Now I'm approving this into my ledger. Approved. Alright, done. So you will see now this claim will be gone and it will now come onto transferable, delegatable. This will see this is my balance that I have free and my current total value is $136. That's not a lot. When I received this airdrop, it was around 80 cents, $1, so it was an airdrop around $1,000. Now it's not worth that much anymore. Yes, my experience with airdrops is if you receive one, at least sell half of it. There's nothing wrong with that. Just sell half of it, cash in your money, put it back into Atom, Geno, Osmo, whatever you want. You can, and it's more safe than just holding the airdrop. I had the same thing with Cerberus. I will talk about this one after asset mantle. But now that we have claimed this, we want to take a look how can we swap and receive our money, let it say like that. So what do we do right now? Take a look. All right. If we go to Kepler and we click onto this and we go to asset mantle. Then we click onto this, we will see available 168. Staked 935. So the thing that I'm going to do, very simple. We go to Osmosis. Now we just click onto assets. We take a look for asset mental. Then we can just deposit this. This will connect to your asset mental address. Click approve. And now you will see we are able to deposit this. I will do just a quick example. 18 mental. Deposit. Approve. I'm gonna do this on a low one. Let me take a look if it works, yes or no, with the average transaction fee. Let me try. Yes, it's successful. Now you can go to trade, take mental. Let me take a look how we can find this one. Mental, all right. Then we bring this to USDC. Do max. All right, and you'll see you have $2. Just click swap. Then you approve this, and then you have swapped your mental. I'm not going to do this one. I'm just going to send it back to my address. Withdraw. Max. I'm not going to sell it now. It really makes no sense to sell now. So I'm not going to do that. I'm into this for the long term. If it fails, it fails. It's just basically free money because of the airdrop. So I'm not selling out now. It's way too less money. Also, approve this. So this is how you can claim your assets from the asset mental. How you can swap your claiming rewards. And then, if you go back to the site, if you want to stake, you just click onto staking. You see your validators. You just can choose a validator of choice. Let me take a look. Post-human actions. You just click onto delegate. I have 150 to delegate, so I just do 150. Submit. Approve. Approve this into ledger. Approved. All right, done. So now you know how to stake, claim, and swap. So that's it for now for the asset mental airdrop. For Nomik, you saw it also. You just claim, stake, and wait for that one. For this one, asset mental, I'm also just waiting. I'm not doing anything. Sometimes I will just swap my rewards for Atom, but on this moment I didn't do it yet. I will do it with my next rewards. I will wait maybe a couple of weeks. When this rewards come maybe like 100 mental, and we can say it's at 20 cents, 10 cents, I will maybe swap it for one Atom. Why not? But for now I'm just waiting and seeing if they can build this ecosystem that they are building, this project. So now we will go to the third one. Let me know in the comments also, what are you doing with your asset mental airdrop and what's your vision on this project? Are you holding it for the long term or for the short term? For everyone who's watching the live stream right now, go and leave a comment. Come on, let's talk a bit in the live chat. Let's have some social contact. Let's go. Let's go, go. I'm less tired than yesterday. Come on. Let's go, man. Let's do this. So the third one is Cerberus. It's a meme coin. If you don't know about this one. So let's take a look. Are they active? Yes or no? And they are still active. And I'm yawing back again. That can happen. Yeah, they're still active. Everything's going fine. I staked this way back ago. So let's take a look how it's at now. How is it going? So you can see the three-headed meme coin and NFT project. We also received an airdrop of this and we could stake this also. So let's take a look. Now we're not gonna find it here. Yes, stake. Cerberus Omniflex. Alright. Well, I totally forgot about that. We have an Omniflex Air Drop. For everyone who is coming onto the live stream tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central Time, that's like 27 hours from here. Make sure to be onto the next live stream. I will be discussing some upcoming airdrops. We also have the Flix token, the airdrop that still needs to happen, or it already happened. I don't know. I need to watch it. I just saw it. Flix airdrop. We will be discussing that tomorrow, 6 p.m. Be on time. Then you can join the live stream just live. Ask me any question that you want. So for everyone who's watching this after the live stream is ended, come and join the live stream tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central Time. Be there. I will share a lot of information. We can do a Q&A, whatever you like as a community. Let's go. So I'm not gonna do it this way. I'm gonna do it on my way. I'm gonna click stake dot Cerberus. And let's see, yes, Cerberus Zone Wallet. Let me see if this is still working, yes or no. Alright, now that we are in Connect Kepler, yes. So this is my wallet. This is what I have available, delegated, total, alright. And this is what it's worth, not a lot. So this is the price, 0.00001. So this is the reward right here. So let me claim this reward. Claim it, yes. It's a very small airdrop, but it was a decent airdrop at the beginning. It dropped a lot in price, same as Chihuahua. We will be discussing Chihuahua tomorrow, so make sure to join the live stream tomorrow, 6 p.m. For everyone, 6 p.m. again. So you can expect Flix Chihuahua tomorrow. Alright, so now that we have claimed this airdrop, we're gonna stake it again. We are just gonna compound our rewards. So let's take a look. What can we do right here? Redelegate, amount to redelegate. No, this is redelegate to another. It's not what we need to do. Where do we stake, bro? Oh, validators. We have to click validators right here. Alright, that was a bit searching. Let us click onto this. Amount to delegate. Yes, we're just gonna do the full amount. We will do a bit less to pay for the fee. Alright, delegate. Yes, approve. Approve, alright. Claim, stake. Same counts here. If you want to swap, you just claim it. Once it's claimed, it's in your wallet. Then you can go to Osmosis, click deposit, and then you will be able to the available balance to bring it to here. It's the same way. So now that we have done that, let's go to the dashboard. Alright, we have delegated the full amount. So this is done. Disconnect. Alright, so we have 3 airdrops done already. We're gonna talk about the 4th one right away. We're gonna talk about Juno. Yeah, Juno. But first of all, I'm gonna share the chart of Cerberus. I just want to show this to the community. What happens with airdrops when they are launching? So let's take a look right here. Click onto charts. Alright, let's take a look. Cerberus, where you at? Big shout out to Cosmos Puck. Alright, Cerberus chart. It's decent, it's decent. It's really decent. But I'm going to be honest, I don't think this chart is right. It's until March 23. Alright, they stopped providing the chart because it's live on CoinGecko now. Alright. Appreciate you for letting us know that, but it dropped a lot rough. Yeah, maybe you should have sold in March. That would be a really, really good time to sell because now we are at lowest level we have seen. Let's say 20% from the all-time low of May 19. But as you can see right here, if you would have 1 million tokens now, it's $5. This is what I had. But at this prices, 0.003, you would have almost $3,000, $2,000. So I made a big mistake by not selling it, and I want to warn every single one of you, make sure to sell your airdrop at least half. First I always sold 1/4, 1/3, but now I will always sell half and even buy it back lower if we drop a lot like this. Like if you sell half here and you just buy 1/10 of that half here, you will still have the same amount as original right here. So it's a very good strategy to do that. And yes, I'm also supporting all the ecosystems, and I want to support the project that are building and airdropping us, but you have to know a lot of people are selling, and if you need money and you don't have enough capital to just let it stay there, it would be good to sell a piece of your airdrop to cash that in. And as I said yesterday in the live stream, then putting it back into Big Papa Atom is always a very smart idea in my opinion. But do your own research. So let's close this. Close. Yes, close. And now we're gonna talk about Juno. This is one of my favorite ones. It had a lot of fun, but in my opinion, this one will do some big things in the future. I'm still very bullish onto this one. Don't FOMO in because you have to understand what price does, how the market moves, what the cycles are. So don't start FOMOing. And if you want to buy something, always DCA. I will make an upcoming video about that if this video gets 30 likes. If we get 30 likes, I will make an upcoming video how you should DCA in the market, and if you have capital and you want to buy something, how you should approach it. 30 likes on this video and I will make an upcoming video about that. Just gonna write this down. Alright, so I have written this down. Now let's take a look. As you know, it's a decentralized public permissionless layer 1 for interchain smart contracts. I'm very, very bullish onto this one. From all the airdrops that I know, I love Atom, Juno, Osmo. That's it. Secret Network, PRX, XPRT, and Comdex also have some use case. But I will talk about those ones in my upcoming live stream tomorrow. So tomorrow, make sure to be on the live stream, 6 p.m. Central Time. Make sure to be there. Don't miss out on this. So now let's talk about Juno itself. If we go to the link tree of JunoNet, we click onto this. We will see the website right here. Click onto the website. All right. That's not the place where we need to be at. So go back. No, that's not the place. So I'm just gonna do it like this. Juno Dispersed Network. I like this one. Let's get in. All right, we are still already logged in. We can see our route token, Juno right here, rewards, reinvest rewards. So what I'm going to do basically is reinvest my rewards. You just click onto reinvest the rewards. You will claim this rewards and reinvest them back and compound them to earn more Juno tokens in a staking reward. So that's how I'm looking at this one. I'm definitely not selling anything. I even have bought some more at $7-8. I don't know what the price is right now. We're at the price of $6.82. In my opinion, this is still a decent price to start buying some Juno. So for me, this is still a buying opportunity, but consider how the markets move. If Bitcoin goes to fuck and all the rest of the market does it, this one will be fucked very hard. Excuse my language, but it's to make sure that you understand what I'm saying. Don't FOMO in. If you have only €1,000, I would never invest €500 in Geno. Never. I would only invest €100. That's the max. So I want to give this clearly to you as people. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. That's so important. And yes, you have to risk something to make it big, but don't do it at this moment. There will come even bigger and better opportunities in the future. I assure you that. Buying opportunity. All right. So we are gonna stake this one again. That's how I'm looking at it. I'm just compounding, claiming my rewards, and staking them. That's what I'm doing. So I will do this right away. Just click reinvest rewards. This is very easy right here if you click reinvest rewards, but you can also go to Kepler. I'm going to show every opportunity. Click here. Then we go to Geno, and then we can click onto stake. And when we click onto stake, we just come into the Kepler. Then we just can click onto claim reward, and then we click onto manage, and we can say we delegate. That's how simple it goes. So if we claim this reward, it will come to our available balance. Then we click onto manage. We just click onto delegate. Delegate is the same as staking your tokens, and then it's done. That's the only thing we should be doing. But as I said, Geno.disperse.network. This is very easy right here. Just click reinvest rewards. Now I just approve this onto my Kepler, onto my ledger, and then it's done. So that's how simple it is. That's how I'm looking at for Geno. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of Geno? And do you think it has potential for the future? Yes or no? Let it know. Also, is there anyone in the live chat? Yes or no? Yes, hi. Can we watch the recording? Hi. Which recording? Let me know. What do you mean? What recording are you talking about, Robin? Hey, hi, Tommy Randstad. How you going, man? Nice to meet you. Welcome to the live stream. If you have any questions, just let me know. I will do my best to answer them as good as possible. When do they send this? I'm also still learning how to do live streams in a decent way, so excuse me if I make some little small mistakes, but I'm trying my best to do it as good as possible. If you have any tips for me, just let me know. I can use them. So let's take a look. Live chat. The live streams. Yes, bro, of course. They are on the channel. Can you not find the live streams, or what do you mean? Are you... The live stream of yesterday, are you talking about that? Normally you can see all the live streams on the channel. Are you also in the Cosmos ecosystem, Tommy? Are you a long time in crypto? It's nice meeting some people who are also in the crypto space. So we're gonna discuss further Geno before I answer the rest. So I showed you this, just reinvest rewards. I'm not gonna do it again. I will do it when the live stream is done. Not gonna waste your time. So close this again. All right, sign out. Now that we are signed out, we have our fifth and last one, Avmos. This is a hard one. It's really a hard one. There's a lot of things there should be covered about this one. I had a lot of problems claiming this one. A lot of people already claimed it for like 3-4 weeks. For me, it was only possible a couple of days ago. So we will start about this airdrop before we start with it. I will first take a look in the live chat. What's happening there? Yes, just start. Oh, great. I missed the beginning of this live. All right, bro. Bro, if you missed the beginning, you can always you can scroll back to the beginning. Also, when the live stream is done, you can watch again from the beginning to the end, so that's not a problem. Nice to have you here. Nice that you're watching. Oh, that's nice, Tommy. So you went through the worst period in 2 years, Tommy. It was very hard period. How did you experience this? And what do you think of crypto? Are you still positive on it? Because it was a very volatile time. Congrats if you're still surviving this market on this period, because it was very hard for a lot of people. Even for me, it was really scary at some point. So congrats on that, Tommy. And my opinion and my advice would be, just do not leave the space. Whatever happens, stay educated, stay dedicated to it, and this will definitely change your life in the long run, in my personal opinion. Let me know what you think about that. Yes, it's definitely possible that it will go up a lot, but don't focus too much on the time, because the time can be different than you expect. You can be thinking, oh, it's gonna go up in 6 months, 1 year, but it can maybe take 2, 3 years. And maybe in the 2, 3 years you say, ah man, it's not going up, fuck this crypto, you out. And then maybe a time after that, everything goes in a very hard bull run and you miss out, you start FOMOing in, and then maybe you're still buying the top again. This is just something I want to say to everyone. Stay clear on your path, whatever the market does. Yes, we are in a bearish position right now. The markets are going in a small downtrend. And we are seeing if we can find a bottom and start reversing the trend to go up. But on this moment, I think we are gonna go a bit choppy, sideways crap market. As you can see right here on my chart, I started putting these two alerts. I have an alert at 31,600 and I have an alert at 27,850. And once we break one of these alerts, I will have a signal on my telephone, on my GSM, and then I know, can we break out, retest this as a support and go back higher, or do we break out here, retest this as resistance and go back lower? Because in my opinion, this is a very crucial level that we are at right now. What do you think, people? Let it know in the live chat. What do you think? So yeah, it's still waiting. I'm a bit scared that we will have a huge down move in the upcoming month and maybe then bottom out to then slowly start going back up again. But we have to watch out. Also, I showed this in my other video about the crypto news. We have Shimita cycle. For everyone who doesn't know this, just go research this. It's something from the Jews, from the whole world. It's a sabbatical year. So just notice every 7 years this happens, something bad happens financially. So just keep that in mind. Just a quick overview, you can see right here. Financial crisis, oil shock, hard recession. 7 years later, stock market crash, bond market crash, stock market crash, stock market crash, mega crash alert. And then we have 2022. What's gonna happen then? And most people think it's gonna happen 25 September. Around 25 September, 28 October, you definitely need to keep an extra eye out. So keep that in mind, people. Keep that in mind. A lot of things can happen, a lot of uncertainty in this world. I like Cosmos, Osmosis, Siftchain, Sentinel, Boot, Geno, and Hua. Nice, bro. Nice, nice. I like that. I like all of them also. Boot, I'm not sure about this one. I'm going to research that. Did you get an airdrop about Boot, or is it just a project that you bought in? Sentinel, I also own myself. I have this in a liquidity pool on Osmosis. I like your view, Tommy. I like your view. Nice to meet people with the same view. So now we have the Avmos airdrop. Let me take a look how much it's worth right now. So this is pumping again because we were at $1.14 and now we're pumping again 2 days later. That's very good. What was the all-time price? Yes, I think this one still has a lot of opportunity. A lot of people are very bullish onto this one. So let's see what comes out. I'm really curious what's going to happen with this, because it also has interoperability with Ethereum. So I'm really asking myself, what is the future of Evmos? I myself am not that excited about this one, but a lot of people are. So boot is Bostrom. I will definitely take a look at that, Tommy. Definitely. Was it an airdrop? Yes or no? Did you receive this as an airdrop, or did you just bought it into the token? But I heard from it. I heard from it from Bostrom. If I'm not mistaken, there was an airdrop, but I didn't claim that already, so I need to claim that then, if there is one. So now, what do we need to do? If we go to Evmos, you will see it was on April the 27th, but it was only like 5 days ago that I could claim the airdrop, because there was a problem for the ledger users. So I will take you through the whole process. Click onto the Evmos page, go to launch app, connect your wallet. No, I'm not going to connect my MetaMask. I'm going to connect my Kepler. All right. You will see invalid Evmos account, but what is the meaning of this? Normally, for the people who are going to connect with their Kepler wallet, they will see right away their total tokens claimable here. Now, the thing that you need to do is you need to go to your MetaMask and put in your Evmos wallet, because here is where your tokens are gonna come. Now, I'm gonna do my best to explain this as clear as possible, because I had a hard time understanding this also. So, first of all, keep this in mind. Stay in the main network. Go back to the Twitter, click onto this. Once we have clicked onto that, go to the downside. Yes, if you're using Kepler, follow this guide. So I'm going to show it for all the people who are using Kepler. Click onto this, follow this guide. Once we come onto this, the first thing we should be doing is on the dashboard, click Connect Wallet and select Kepler. Once we have done that and we are connected with our Kepler, you will see this. This is what I saw. I saw import, but it keeps saying available soon. But I could see my total tokens claimable. If you don't see anything like that, I think you will not be able to receive the airdrop. I cannot answer every question about this airdrop because I myself had some troubles. So to import your airdrop claim from Kepler to a valid Evmos address on MetaMask, make sure that you have the MetaMask extension installed. So you first install the MetaMask if you didn't do that already, and then you have to connect it to the Evmos network. Now, how do you do this? You click onto that, and you should be going to chainlist.org. So you go to chainlist.org, and then you put in Evmos. Once you have done that, you do connect wallet. This will connect with your MetaMask. Then you connect it with the right address that it needs to connect. Click on next. All right. Once this is connected, you should have this now. If you click onto main network, you should have Evmos now. So once you have clicked onto that and it's onto Evmos, you are ready to go. Then you should go. Let me take a look where we're at. All right. Then you should just go down. And when you go down, you will see, once you have done this, you go back to this site, and then normally you can click onto import. When you click onto import, there will just come a transaction, and you will just need to approve this into your MetaMask. There is no gas fee. It's just a signing transaction without gas fee. So once you have done that, you will receive your first part of your airdrop into your MetaMask right here. Then if we go to, once you have done that, click on to claim Airdrop. And once we are here, I'm going to show you. Once I have done this, my MetaMask is then verified as the right address. So then we just disconnect, connect our wallet with MetaMask, log in, connect, alright, and you will see claim, total tokens claimable. And if we click on to claim, it will bring us to claim rec drop. As you can see here, my total tokens claimed. And then if we click on to claim rec drop, we will see if we vote on a governance proposal, we claim 25%, stake 25%, execute an IBC transfer, and you will receive the other 25%. And then we have use the EVM, crash landing on Mars in easy. Liquidity is planning to do, why don't you explore a little? This mission I still have not claimed already. So once I have figured out how to claim this one, if anyone from the community knows this, just drop a comment in the live chat. But I will give you an update tomorrow. I will try my best to do this tomorrow in the live stream. 6 p.m. tomorrow, be on the live stream. And I will try and do the last mission of Evmos. So make sure to be on the live stream tomorrow. But for now, these are the things that you need to do. To do the governance proposal, you just come onto something like this. When they are voting, you click onto it. You just do vote. You click yes, vote, alright. If you cannot go through it, you choose low transaction, and this will get the transaction through. Once this is done, you go back to claim rec drop, you will see claimed. Alright. Then if you click onto IBC transfer, you just do from Evmos C1 to Osmosis, get address. Alright, this is the amount you have, and then you can do the IBC transfer, and then you will receive the other part. And the last part I still don't know yet. Also, if you want to know how to sell this airdrop, I'm not going to sell this one, but if you want to sell it, you can bring it from here to Osmosis, and then as I showed you before on Osmosis, you just go to trade. Once your assets are here, you go to trade, and then you can trade it right here. Let us try if they have Evmos. They don't have it for now. They should. Let me take a look. I don't see it for now, but I will figure this out for the live stream tomorrow, and I will let you know. Because sometimes it can really take some time to find out this small troubles that I have. So now if you click onto staking, we're staking 150 Evmos. Yes, we have a total rewards. The rewards are very small, I see. The staking reward I don't know for now. So yeah, that was it around the Evmos airdrop. Is there an airdrop for Agoric? And what's happening with Bostrom when we get booed? I really don't know what's happening with Bostrom. So I will cover this in the live stream tomorrow at 6 p.m. in the evening, Central Time. I will take a look at the airdrop for Agoric, and I will take a look for the Bostrom airdrop. I will keep you updated tomorrow on the live stream 6 p.m. how these two airdrops are going. So make sure to tune in tomorrow. This was it today for the 5 Cosmos airdrop that I covered. If there are still any questions, just leave a comment and I would like to help you further. Now, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close the Evmos part. Alright. Now, what I do, like always, that I recommend to everyone, click onto this, click onto settings, manage connections, and close all of it. This is because when you have a connection, you give permission to connect. Maybe one of these protocols get hacked and maybe your funds could be at a risk. This is why I always close this. I would recommend this to everyone. There's nothing wrong with doing this. So now that we have done this, we're gonna close this one and we are gonna cover the last thing of today. We have an Ethereum NFT Stoner Ape Club that I'm kind of bullish on, but the real reason that we are talking about this today is because you can claim your Vial. They did an airdrop for all the holders. So we will cover this today. Let us take a look at the Twitter first. First, take a look at the live chat. No, alright. As you can see, May 20th, claim your vials. This was posted on May the 10th. Oh. As you can see, I think there was a lot of coming for this one. They're also already verified on OpenSea. That's some good news. So I'm very excited for the future of this one. Let's go to, let me close this. All right, let's go to the Discord of them. As you can see right here, in addition with the Vial claim happening tomorrow, May the 20th, we would like to reintroduce delist incentives. This means for all the people who delist, if you delist, have not had your Stoner Ape listed or are listed above 1 Ethereum, you will be eligible for entry to potentially receive one of the following: cash out, 1 Ethereum split amongst 5 stoners, 100 local, yeah, so some big giveaways. I'm not going to read everything of this. So as you can see, 20 May, it's almost time. We're 10 minutes out. So you can claim your vial right here. I still need to do this, so I will be doing this live right now with the community. And to answer on Tintin, I'm gonna look on the end of this live stream very quick into Algoric and show you very quick if I see something, yes or no. If I don't see anything, make sure to tune in into the live stream tomorrow 6 p.m. Central Time. We will be discussing these airdrops. So let's click onto this link. Alright, connect our wallet, MetaMask. Yes, next. Alright, connected. Now that we are connected, we recommend that you claim your maximum to save gas. Has my Stoner Ape vial been claimed? Alright. So I cannot claim anything. I don't understand. You can only claim 1 vial for every sack you own. Yeah, why I cannot claim then? Wait, let me take a look. Yes, okay, alright. I have no ID, but I cannot claim. So I need to figure this out. What's wrong? Maybe it's because I'm on the FBOS network. That could be a thing. Yes! Alright! Man, that was that was shocking. I was like, what? I own 3 of these NFTs and I cannot claim anything? So as you can see, if you have something like this, people, always make sure that you're on the right network. Normally the site should say from itself you're on the wrong network, so I don't like this too much. But yeah, it can happen. So I was on the FMOS network because of the FMOS airdrop. Make sure to click on the main network. As you can see right away, I can now claim them. So I'm gonna claim all 3 of them. Note, some vials may contain hidden surprises. Will you be the lucky one? Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. Let's claim this. Claim. Come on, let's claim it. €12 of transaction fee and no processing time. Alright, no problem. Accept. Very excited of the future of this NFT. I think this one can become really big, as you see in the promotional video. I think they're also going to do some merch or whatever they are going to do. So I think for claiming this one, it will take some time. As you could see, the time that it takes, it's unknown. All right, it's confirmed. Transaction is confirmed. So now what you can do is go back to the Discord and go take a look. We held a vote for how we handle mutation for 3D stoners. Good news, results are in. With an overwhelming amount of support, it's clear that you guys want for the ability to mine the 3D stoner. It will require both your Stoner Ape plus Vial during it. Every Vial will require a sack in order to mutate. Not mutate. Once your sack has been mutated, you cannot use it again with a different Vial. Alright? Thanks for taking part in the vote, and we hope this displays how we care about your opinion first before making a final decision. Reminder, when minting your 3D stoner, your Stoner Ape will remain unharmed. However, the vial will be burned to make the 3D stoner. That's it. Alright, that's very clear. So now that we have claimed this once, we are now gonna wait until the team updates when we can mutate our original Stoner Ape to a mutant ape. So I'm very excited for this one, and I will keep you updated in the next live streams. So that was it for today. If there are any questions, ask them right now. I will stay live for around 3 minutes. If no one is asking a question, I will go offline, and I see you in the live stream tomorrow at 6 p.m. Central Time. So if you have any question, this is the time. And for Tintin, I'm gonna watch very quick what you ask. Agoric. Agoric. Is it this one? It should be this one. I see a lot of Cosmos people following them. Alright. Go to agoric.com. We have Auxiliary Airdrop also. I will write this down also. Airdrop is delayed. What are they talking about? P-stake. Alright. What will you claim tomorrow? Tomorrow I'm looking at multiple airdrops. I'm gonna look at Flix, what's happening there. I'm gonna look at Chihuahua. I will do an update on that. I will do an update on the Comdex airdrop. These are already claimed, but there are a lot of things happening. Maybe upcoming airdrops for the Comdex network and for the people who are staking Comdex. So that's what I'm gonna talk about tomorrow. We also have XPRT, what I'm gonna talk about, and upcoming airdrop for that network itself. The same counts for Secret Network. There will also be airdrops only for people who stake Secret. So these are the things we're going to discuss tomorrow. Then we will be discussing the last mission of Evmos, on how to do it, how you can claim your last mission of the airdrop, so you have the last 25% of the airdrop that you need to receive. And we are going to take a look at the airdrop for Bostrom. What did you ask, Tommy? So tomorrow you can expect that we cover Bostrom boot. We will be covering Agoric. We will be covering XLR if there is any opportunity. We will do some updates on Secret Network, XPRT, Comdex, Chihuahua, Flix Airdrop. So make sure to tune in tomorrow, 6 p.m. Central Time. Now, for the last thing, the Agoric Airdrop, I'm going to take a look at Cosmos Puck if they covered this, yes or no. So I will take you through how I do some quick research. Come on, load. Yeah. Gnowland, oh, this one also, and also need to cover very fast. Gnowland, this is also another one. King, I never heard of this. I'm also gonna write it down. Man, I'm way behind on the airdrop of Cosmos ecosystem. That's what I can see. But you have to know, airdrops like this are maybe not gonna be big, so keep that in mind. Sometimes it's just not worth it. I had a lot of airdrops just $2 or something, and you cannot even sell them. Agoric, I don't see anything. I will do. No, I don't see Agoric nowhere. For all the people, I see this now. The Fortis Economia airdrop. Go claim your second week or whatever week it is. I'm gonna take a look. Whatever week it is. Approve. Yes. Drops. Airdrop. Claim. You see, I forgot this one to claim it. This one I also forgot. And this we can claim. It's not worth that much anymore, but yeah, something is something. So next, I'm gonna open my Cosmos app in the ledger. All right. All right. Yes. Next. Confirming this into ledger right away. That's a lot of transactions to confirm. Yes. Approve. All right. So don't forget to claim this for all the people out there. Claim it. I don't know. Can I claim this again or what? That's not possible normally. All right. So you can see I forgot some weeks because yeah, this dropped a lot in price. Let me take a look at the price of this charts. Default. What's the price at? You can see price is that. It comes from $6 or something, $7 to almost zero. So congrats on all the people that sold into this range. Congrats on that. That's a very smart move. Especially if you put it back into Atom, Juno, Osmo. In my opinion, that's very good done. So what can we also do? Oh, but they're still upgrading, man. What is Castle Dex? They're still building. That's something what I'm gonna see. What I see. So we have the grand module right here. You can see my rewards. You can see my staked default. Excuse me. So go to this. Go to burn module. That's the thing you need to do. Burn your balance for 150 FOT. But I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna claim more weeks and then I'm gonna do it. Wait. Let's connect back. Let's take a look at vote drops. Also not. Normally we had also an airdrop for Atom. This is only Virginal, but there's no update yet. I will definitely take a look at that also, but it's not that important anymore, the full airdrop, because a lot of people have just skipped this one. But they are still building, so yeah, we will see in the future. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on this one? And what are you gonna do with this weekly claim? That's worth $2 or something, or less. I don't know how much it is. It's really not a lot now. 150 BFOT, and it's at 1,000. It's maybe 20 cents. It's not even $2. So yeah, let's close this. From the Agoric, I'm gonna do my best to research this, because from now I cannot find if there is an Agoric airdrop or Bostrom. But I will cover this tomorrow in the live stream, 6 p.m. Central Time. For now, I'm gonna close the live stream. Thanks you all for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Blessings to you all, and I hope to see you into the next one tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.